Bullish Algorand, Algo, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.570352 and $1.08 by 2030. Market investigators accept Algo could reach $0.443607 by 2025. Negative Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.101396. Algorand, Algo, presentation. The Algorand, Algo, digital money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its beginning in 2019. When the blockchain collaborated with Coinbase to foster El Salvador's digital currency framework, the cost of Algo flooded in September 2021. Despite the fact that it has thusly lost most of these additions, experts and sites that figure costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparative levels. What follows for the altcoin, then, at that point? How about we analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost improvement? What is Algorand, Algo? The Algorand blockchain, which expects to answer the catch-22 of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves Algo as its local cache. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks by means of an agreement strategy called unadulterated confirmation of stake. How much Algo a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval panel are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation, MIT, in the US, and its blockchain and neighborhood cache appeared in June 2019. The Algo coin cost quickly fell a day after presentation. Algorand, Algo, basic examination in June 2019, Algo sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the principal day of exchange. This was just a beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the following months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for various causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic stockpile that would be conveyed continuously. Algorand said that 3 billion Algo will be sold at public sale throughout the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. Regardless of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the huge measure of Algo and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more possible: consider the breakdown of the value of Algo's cash was private financial backers. Financial backers bought Algo through confidential situation adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make critical increases. Previous Algorand establishment, asks boss Chen Fangfang, addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter asserted that early benefactors had presented the drive to unreasonable dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as per worldwide coin exploration. Algorand, Algo, specialized examination. In the wake of being added to Coinbase, the cost of Algo's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as per Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the span of the accompanying year and a half of exchange, Algo attempted to get past the 50 cents edge, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, regardless of a couple of increments. The cash began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, ultimately hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of Algo, various elements could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins consolidate the consistent quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currencies. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin backers since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a coordinated effort with the momentary currency market exchanging stage Instamach worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand dealt with a great many dollars of exchanges like clockwork. El Salvador, in August 2021, proclaimed that Algorand will act as the establishment for its digital currency foundation. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to an untouched post send-off high of $2.38. The cash finished at $1.63, notwithstanding Algorand having quite recently delivered an overhaul that improved brilliant agreements by empowering them to be written in well-known programming dialects like Python and Reach. Algorand is presently worth $0.126768 United States dollars. Algo has moved 8.07% as of now with an exchanging volume of $63,562,197. Algorand is presently positioned 49 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $965,287,360 United States dollars. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Algorand, Algo, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Algorand, Algo, Value Forecast 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Algo. The Algo cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.190152. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.177475 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Algo is supposed to have a base worth of $0.152122. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Algorand Algo cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Algo will before long outperform $0.316920. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Algo's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Algo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.253536 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.278890. Algorand, Algo, Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.443688 and Algo might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Algo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.405657 and a low of $0.380304 in 2025. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Algorand effectively helps market feeling among digital currency fans, the Algo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Algo will be green in 2026. The Algo is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.570456 with a base cost of $0.507072 and a typical cost of $0.532425. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Algo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.659193 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.633840 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Algo has a greatest value worth of